What if I told you that the difference between staying stuck and breaking through isn't about working harder? It's about rewiring your brain. See, while everyone's out here trying to chase the next big strategy, they're missing the real secret weapon, and it's their mindset. Let me go ahead and tell you why. Here's the truth. Your brain is like a GPS. If you put it in the wrong destination, doesn't matter how fast you drive, you will never get to where you are going. And I see this all the time with talented people. They're getting stuck in their own way. Sometimes it's a matter of them thinking that they're not good enough. They're having imposter syndrome. They're overthinking the situation. They keep on going through the creative process 20,000 times and they never want to put anything out, but they're so talented. But unfortunately, so many people are never going to see their work, and they're having all these negative thoughts about their creation, their ideas, their plans, their goals, or whatever it is, and they just sit right here in their mind. Let's talk about your daily thought patterns. Just like I said in my TEDx talk, your brain processes about 60,000 thoughts every single day, but get this, about 80% of them are negative. 80% of those thoughts are negative thoughts. And today we want to start being more intentional and being more aware of those thought patterns. We're going to start thinking about our brain almost like software, right? And it's time to go ahead and update that software with some positive affirmations, some positive thoughts, and understand how we're going to move forward in a positive way. So there are 3 quick ways that we can do this. So the very first way is to catch the negative thoughts as they're happening and go ahead and flip them around. Say, for example, it's raining outside. Instead of saying, oh my goodness, it's pouring down rain outside, it's droopy, it's cloudy, whatever it is, the way that you can start reprogramming your mind is like, oh my gosh, it's raining outside. It's a perfect day to stay inside, be cozy, get under the blanket, maybe order some pizza, watch a movie that you've been trying to catch up on, whatever it is. And that's a nice, relaxing day. The next thing is you want to surround yourself with growth-minded people. These type of individuals are always going to want to stay positive, and they're always going to push you in the right direction. I realize that I'm a very positive person, and so whenever I'm around other people that are starting to speak negatively, either about a situation or about themselves, I often am instilling positivity, words, all of that type of stuff in them. So go ahead and surround yourself with growth-minded people. And the last one, you want to create small wins every single day. Too often, we are waiting until we accomplish whatever large goal that we are chasing, and we do not take into account the small wins every single day. For example, right now you're watching this on YouTube. So say, for example, if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel or start a YouTube channel, instead of saying, I'm not going to celebrate until I have 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, celebrate creating your first YouTube video. Celebrate your YouTube video getting 100 views or whatever it is, but you have to create those small wins and recognize them, because you'll realize that there's so much going on around you that you can be thankful for, that you could highlight, that are small, again, like small wins that you can be very grateful for. Anything that's going to help you stay on that track of positivity, because if you wait for you to reach 1,000 subscribers, and that may take, let's just say 5 months, 6 months, a year, I don't know how long it's going to take, depends on how consistent somebody is, you're going to be sad and upset that you don't have those 1,000 subscribers the entire year or the entire 6 months. So celebrate those 6 months, or excuse me, those 500 views, those 100 views, creating the first video or whatever it is, because you're going to enjoy the journey so much more. Now here's where it is real. So you can believe me or not, but your actions will always follow your thoughts. Simple as that. So when you want to think about leveling up your life, you need to level up your thoughts. Here's something that I've been doing for a while. It's journaling. And now I would pull it out, but it's back there somewhere under my books. Every single morning I like to journal and write affirmation for myself for the goals that I have. For example, one goal that I have or had before in the past was, I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm a husband. Right? I was writing that when my girlfriend, or excuse me, while my fiance and I were together, and she was my girlfriend until we ended up getting engaged. Something else I ended up writing for a long time was, I am so happy and grateful now that I am a digital marketer that works from home. I didn't know what that was going to be at the time. However, an opportunity approached me. Now I'm a digital marketing instructor that teaches remotely I have students all across the entire country. Now, I was already a digital marketer at the time, understanding like SEO, UX, UI, going into the depths of copywriting, influence marketing, meta ads, the list goes on, whatever it is, right? But I didn't have an actual job around digital marketing. I was using all of those type of skills for myself in my own business, but I also wanted a job. So I didn't know how that was going to come about. I wasn't applying for jobs or anything like that, but I was putting that positive energy, those positive thoughts out into the world, and the opportunity ended up finding its way to me. Those are just two small examples how your thought patterns every single day can have a huge influence on the way that you navigate life, that opportunities get attracted to you, just so many things. And the last example I'm going to give you is, instead of thinking, let's just say we're still talking about a job, I'm not good enough for that promotion, you can say something along the lines of, I'm learning the skills that I need that are necessary for me to be promoted. So listen, VPs, your mind is either working for you or against you. There's no in between. But the good news, hopefully you've been able to tell today, if you're paying attention to your thoughts, you can be more intentional to what's holding you back. So I want you to remember this as we start to wrap up today. Your thoughts shape your actions create your results, and your results build your future. Now, this message hit home for you, you know what to do, and I need you to drop mindset in the comments and let me know exactly what mindset shift that you're working on today. Y'all, always keep growing, keep glowing, and keep working on your mindset. I will see you on the very next episode. See ya.